又是 A 的人，大家好，又是 A 的人，这是一个车评只是 POV 啦，欢迎回到我的 POV 试驾系列哈。今天非常荣幸的GWM 邀请我来到色邦的隔壁，原来这里有一个非常大的 off-road 地方哦。今天来玩泥啊，我长这么大真的我没有驾过车在泥巴那边玩哦，通常是在柏油路上，不管是坐 drift 车啊、赛车啊，那泥地呢，讲真的还是第一次哦。今天的主角呢不是 Tank 500，这个 Tank 500呢好像要等到8月之后才有机会可以拿车试驾。那今天的主角呢就是 Tank 300啦，在我这个频道呢之前有做一个 full walk around review， 也把这辆 Tank 300呢拿上云顶试驾了。我相信大家也看过了啦，哇 Tank 300哦拿上云顶哦，全马还是我第一个吧。第一个环节呢，我们即将会把这辆车拿去做 optical test， 而第二个环节呢，我即将会开到那个森林里面，体验一下玩 off-road 的朋友们是在那些泥路是怎么走的。那第三个呢，我们将会去走一个高速的、比较快一点的这些泥路，然后再试一下它的 snow mode 跟 normal mode 有什么不一样。我很喜欢这种滑滑的感觉呢，就是那种要不那种感觉，加上坦克300的这个方向盘呢，它给的回馈真的是非常的棒，它给到我们及时的回馈啊，我觉得很安全啊，还很热，我把它脱掉比较好。讲真的，戴着这个 helmet 我都听不到外面有什么声音啊，人家叫我都听不到，所以带你们去体验一下坦克300那个 off-road，let's go。这里有几个模式，我们右边呢我们就把它转到去 4L， 左边呢我们转到去 rock mode， 因为我们前面这里很多石头嘛。你看我只是放开那个刹车不了。
Okay, car number 3, after the rock crawl, you can put into mud.
Ooh.
Put it into mud mode and turn on the rear diff lock. The rear diff lock is on the bottom left button.
Interesting.
Okay, once the rear diff lock is engaged, you can proceed to the side slope. Just steering straight and go slow.
OK， 现在我们第二个呢来到 slack slope 啦，所以这边的路前面都是很斜的，你可以看到。所以它有多斜呢？你看我的 camera 也就懂了哈。我们打开后差速器，现在是很斜的。哦，那个油门，Whoa, interesting. I'm scared. Really scared.
Number 4, proceed straight. So number 3, once you done the lock run, turn left, go straight to the back of the hill.
Okay, so lock run. Okay. What is this, bro? Wow. 其实我驾过这个坦克300的，在马路上啊，就上了云顶那些，还没有真正试到它的潜能哦，还是第一次把它驾到来这个沙路。Diff lock off，OK，I think so。只要你把它模式把它切换到你现在要的模式啊，它的这个变速箱的反应全部都很配合现在的情景，so gentle 啦 ，everything needs to speak to gentle when in off-road.
Harsh accelerator, just relax with the accelerator. Okay, car number 3, put into Pothole mode now.
Wow, I can feel the car is so powerful. No problem at all, eh? No problem at all.
Yeah, so
you
need to harsh with the accelerator. When you high with the accelerator, the wheel spin.
Yeah, I know.
Brake a bit. Okay, straight. Okay, off the brake. Oh, really? I didn't press the brake. Yeah.
Wow, nice, man. 所以这个就是 Mountain Road 的这个设置，它知道你在下山哦，你只是需要放开那个油门就可以了，没问题。
Throttle control. So once it's on, you go in slowly. When you reach the hanging point, you brake and stop.
The same mode, with the same mode. Okay, car number 3, water.
And stop. Okay, stop. Okay, now you let go.
It do.
Okay, stop. Okay, let go.
Wow. Wow, magic way. Did you see? I didn't press any throttle.
Yeah.
Proceed to the water. Wow. Wow, water mode.
Water crossing.
are going to water, right? 所以难怪之前阿瑞跟我讲啊，拿这辆车不要去玩水，不要去玩泥土啊，你在马路上驾就好了。因为他们每做一次这个活动啊，都要回去做full service， 要换油啊等等的。
Get off there, Zaluri.
Okay, okay, damn good. I'm like driving a ship, man. Oh wow. So see how the gear drag me so good. It drags the gear.
And all the way straight.
Nice one. This is my first time, eh? Doing on mud.
So we're gonna make a right here.
Right.
Okay, so over here, because it's still slightly wet, so there will be lots of grip here and there. And there are 1 or 2 tricky corners that I will notify you guys, which is coming up shortly. So right now, just follow the car in front of you, and all will be fine.
I can feel the ESC doing work just now.
Yep, because we are
Yeah.
on HD and it's picking up already. So this corner here, I need you to slow down. Slow down and stay to the left. It's actually a very tight corner. Okay, this corner, I need you to stay to the left. There we go, don't stop. Okay, and the steer.
the back up. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's oversteer. And tight corner also.
Yep. So don't forget, this car is still equipped with HD, and because the cars are made with to come with HD tires, they are not exactly designed to go through all these kind of roads. But you still can. The point here is that even though you are not using the right tire for the right job, you can use this with the car's technology, with all the ESC and the traction control. Relatively okay. But of course, in the end, if the driver wants to go and hunt number 3, the car will hunt number 3. So watch for the car. Be careful. If you think that it's a bit too risky, let me know. Okay, so we just follow the road and we turn right. Okay, here we're gonna make a right as well.
Turn right.
Yep.
Hello。我在那个
哦
那个 second
That's the hill descent
那个什
control.
么跟着他们去那个 off road 啊。OK， 可以。
Oh.
For the next one, ready so fast?
So fast, no?
Never mind now. I want to take photo.
Okay, no worries.
Turn left.
Left here. Fan up.
Okay.
We're going to make it right.
Yeah.
等下你问他
嗯，
有没有大便跳出来？
大便？什么大便？
好了，他差一点超车了。
哦，
没有了。
后面那个。
然后 OK.
No, okay.
Yes,
Left.
Understeering and oversteering all over the place.
That's fine. Still acceptable because the speeds are low, so it's still very easily controllable by anyone.
Very fun, huh?
Not bad. Wait until you get into a flat track.
Oh, that one fast one.
Yes.
Okay.
Drifting.
Then turn
Here we
right.
make a right.
Right. Oversteer? No. Almost there. Almost there.
Just not the one, yes, sir.
short also left.
Left. Come here.
The Camino.
Come on, no, keep it in.
Then turn right.
Turn right.
你的 EK 几是加起来？
啊，
你的 EK 几是加起来？
我换 K20A。K20A DC5。
然后加起来是不是？
嘿嘿，再来 track 哦。
Yep, I can go faster lah. 30, 40. Okay, yeah. And then aim straight for the corner. Yes. Okay, left a bit. Left. Let me speed. Okay, left.
Oh, ESC doing work.
Yes. So I want to go left. We'll pull the car. Alright. So remember this turn. This turn in front was 20.
Whoa, that was hard.
But no bang sound.
Yeah, no bang sound.
So it's very refined, you know, in that sense, coming from a China car. Very refined.
It's only 250k anyway, and it's valuable.
You can go 40 again. The next corner back to 20.
Usually the people are doing off-road, they like off-road, they also do like that, drive like that, the speed.
Well, I don't think it's fast. It's just a normal speed now.
Normal speed,
You don't want to be driving at 10 km/h.
Yeah.
You koya, right? Especially Sabah Sarawak, you know. Okay, just 20, take it easy.
Drive like rally.
It's just nice. Alright. Because Sabah Sarawak, some of the road like this one, you know.
Oh really?
Yeah, you drive like this for 50 km/h. 50 km. If you're driving at 10, it'll take you 5 hours to get there. I know they like truck over there one, but when you drive the truck,
yeah.
Good. So this corner is 15. Remember, this is the off cable. Okay, slow down. Yep, slow. Okay, put the right tire in the ditch.
And point the
left.
grass.
Yeah. And this slowly. Very nice, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Very well done. I like that you actually have finesse. And
Yeah, I can feel the steering actually.
Yes. Very
The
good.
feedback's very good. Actually, it's hydraulic, right?
That means you're getting it. Yep.
Yeah, like Hilux.
Of course, you like the ZF gearbox lah.
I like it. I like it so
That one
much.
they like.
BMW fan.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go back. Just go straight.
Thank you. Very good
Nice one,
experience.
nice one, yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that part's still money.
Ooh.
Right. Think to the left. Okay, to the left. Yeah. Can free, right?
Smoother. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, go a bit here. If not, you're going straight. Okay, good.
Then turn right.
Yeah, turn right.
Ooh, nice.
Oh,
I like
okay,
it.
Now, I'm going to shut off the snow. Now it's normal.
Okay.
Can feel the difference. Okay.
Oh, more power.
Yeah.
It direct. Yeah. It won't be so gentle like just now.
Yes.
Yes.
So your throttle delivery is the same, right?
Yes.
But the output is different.
So one more that. Straight.
Finish. Yeah, straight.
Okay.
Okay. So again, we're going to left. Okay, now I'm going to put it in snow mode. Stay here. Okay, to the right. So now it is muddy area here. Okay, now you put on the throttle more,
Oh, more. Yeah, need more.
and then the power is mostly.
Yeah.
Okay, we can overtake this car.
Okay, over
To
there.
your right, we can do a driver swap. So
Alright， 今天我们已经把 Tank 300呢试驾完毕了哈。总结来说呢，这辆 Tank 300呢，它不仅是一个在路上非常硬派的车，它也是可以能打的车，随时可以去 off road。当然呢，它是用这 AT 的轮胎啦 ，All Terrain 啊，还是可以做到越野的。加上今天早上下了一场大雨，早上更加的湿，更加的黏了，还是一样做得到。250千买到这个样子，我已经在我之前影片说过，我非常喜欢它的样子，它的这个整个内饰跟外观我都很喜欢，又好抽到又好靚仔，我中意，这个是真心话，不是收钱啊。想问一下大家，如果今天250千，你会买这辆车吗？留言在下面给我知道啊。好了，各位，这个影片就到这边。如果喜欢看我的影片的朋友们呢，不要忘了按赞、订阅、分享，还有打开小铃铛。我们下一集的 POV 再见，Goodbye。